Hello and welcome back to IPA. Today we're going to replace these paper cone factory speakers with a set of these 6 3/4 inch kicker speakers, part number CSC67. So as you can see, I already have one in the door, so let me quickly walk through what it took to get here. Alright, as I mentioned, there's not a lot to this, so I'm going to go through it pretty quick. I just have the door panel just hanging on right now to show you. First step I'll do is take your Phillips, pull the door handle, remove this screw right behind the door handle, and then this cover can come off. Then you want to pull up from the front side of this, like that, because there's a clip right there, and then a tongue that holds on in the back. This will be connected. This is your window switch and door locks. You'll take a screwdriver and pop it loose from front end to the back, and you can just pry it out. Set that aside, tuck this back down in the door. Then you have two 7mm screws right underneath the door handle on each side. And then you'll take your trim tool and pop this push pin from up here at the front. And then there are 9 push pins holding the door skin to the door. So I started closest to the speaker and began popping them out. And then this last one up here is probably the hardest one to get, and actually broke the part where it connects to the door panel. As you can see, the push pin's still in there. So once I pull that out, you get it all popped, you can lift up on it and move it away. So once you're in the door, the factory speaker is held in by 4 tiny screws. T10 Torx bit is what it takes to get those out. Once I got the speaker out, I took the factory connection off the back right here, and I just ripped it off of the speaker. And then I took my soldering iron and I desoldered those wires that ran to the connector. And then I soldered in this end of the cable that came with the kicker speakers. Now the black line I use for negative. It's also B on all the factory connections, and it's the darker of the factory connections. Mine were light blue and dark blue, but the A is the light blue, and that connects to the side without any black stripe. So once I soldered this to the factory connector, it allowed me to plug this into the kicker speaker and then plug this end right into the factory harness. And then to put in the new kicker speaker, I did get one of the holes to line up, and then the other 3 holes I took a small drill bit and put in a pilot hole. So 3 screws and just go right in that small hole. Don't drill the hole too big, but they were plastic thread cutting screws. So once I got that in, it was all done, and putting it back together is just reverse of what we just went through. Thanks for following along. Like and subscribe.